Hello everyone, in this video I will guide you the easiest way to set time on Hero Xtreme 160R. So if you also have got this bike and you are being unable to set time, then this video will be very helpful. But before moving to the video, please subscribe it. Let's get started. The very first step to set time on Hero Xtreme 160R is you have to turn on the ignition at first. After turning on the ignition, you will see the instrument cluster look like this. It just below the instrument cluster you see set button and mode button below. You have to press these two buttons at the same time for a few seconds as shown on the video. After pressing for a few seconds, you can see here on the display that hour is blinking. Currently it's 11. Now press mode button one by one to go ahead. You can see here on the video, if I continuously press mode button, it goes ahead and it even changes AM and PM as shown on the video. You can see here, keep pressing mode button, change the hour and you can move towards PM and do the same to come back towards AM. After adjusting that, press set button once to adjust minute. You can see here now the minute is blinking. Now do the same, repeat the same process. Press mode button one by one to go ahead like shown on the video 46, 47, 48, 49 like this. Now we have finally adjusted hour and minute. To keep it fixed, press set button once at last. After this you can see here whatever time you have fixed 352 is fixed over here. Even though I will turn off the ignition as shown on the video and turn it back on, the time whatever we have adjusted will be fixed over here. Let's see. Now you can see here the time what we have fixed 352 is over here. So if you find this video helpful, then please subscribe this channel. Thank you very much for watching till the end.